Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to have a virtual location, how to have the fake location on your iPhone device. Sometimes it's very beneficial guys. When any particular apps and application that has been restricted in the particular country and there you would like to beneficiary of that apps and application, that by changing location this can be possible. Or of course very beneficial in a condition when someone is tracing your device, then you can give the multi-direction movements by a one tricks here. So we will see live here how do you do that and what's the actual location of this device. See guys, right now here this device is updating the location, so just we will click on here, and as we see right now the location of this device is indicating India. Now we would like to have especially this location of United States. So from actual location to we would like to have the fake or virtual location of United States on this device right now. So how would I do that? Manually, as we know that this is not possible guys here, but we would like to have. So for everything just you will have to go for an administration, that is a Mokpogo. This app has been especially designed or developed to change your location or route to anywhere, any times. How do you do that? They are the multi is function of this tool, but we will see 2 3 here. Just we will go for a start 2. This is a highly supportable, of course, fully supportable on iOS 17 17.5. so just we will click on here. We have two options. One is especially via Wi-Fi we can do it. If you don't have a data cable, then by virtue of Wi-Fi this can be possible. Otherwise, of course, connect to your Wi-Fi, connect to your USB data cable, and thereupon of course just we will select this and we will go for next. So now it has started to load. Now it has been connected. Now just we will minimize. So now see it's India, but we would like to have the United States. So yes, just a little bit minimize, and of course will come in a United States. So now the webcam here, let me a little bit this one the webcam here. So just we will here. Now I have elected, just we will go for it. So now see it has been especially now it has been see from India to actually if I go in there, now see we would like to have the, now see actual location of this. Yes, this cam the United States. How quickly it's working guys. There are a lot of the feature, and here as we see we have done now virtual locations, and as we see here this is a 2 export movements. If you would like to see, if you would like to have especially 2 export mode that you are going to United States to especially I mean Canada or Switzerland, then of course just you will have to elect this one and click on it, then of course it will be now this is a multi-export movements, and this is a yes jump tally port mode, and this is a GPX, and as we see here once again if you would like to come and reset or actual location by clicking on it, of course you will be able to rest on real location after resetting of this device. And this is for here multi devices in a one time you can manage. So this is I'm doing on this device. So sometimes as we know that anyone who's tracing, then you would like to give the operate multiple device in a special multi-direction movements by selecting this one, and you can come here. This is zoom out and zoom in. So a lot of the feature here as we see, and this is a EIF resources also. Right now we will see here this is a here as we see multi-export movements. So multi-export movements, just let's see this ones we would like to have. So now from United States to we would like to have the Canada, and we will go for it. So now see it will be created. Now see from there to there, of course we will go for it. So now see route has been generated, and of course giving this ones. Now see, movement also you can have. How it's so, see, from this side, of course, now we are coming, just we will go 4K. Then now see guys, yes, this side also. Now of course we will pause, and this one. So now it's moving also. So how easily you can have guys. And once again, if you would like to come on a actual location, click on it here. So to know more detail, there are the various kinds of feature, and according to the situation, of course, you can add of this especially, and you can be the beneficiary of all the feature of this tool. Yes, if you want to know more detail, then you can come on this website, that is especially of course mopogo.com. Especially this tool has been designed for Android and of course iOS. I've already mentioned to you. This is a free trial, and of course there is a 20% off discount also on it. So of course if you want, then you can have. Now we would like to have on the actual location of this device. So how would I? Just we will click here to reset. So this one feature has been given. Yes, we will close it, and thereupon of course we will go for it. So guys, for the main inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. If you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe and share of this content, because it might be beneficial for those who are highly specialized to have this kind of information, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.